If our love was a fairy tale, I would charge in and rescue you. On a yacht, baby, we would sail to an island where we'd say I do. And if we had babies, they would look like you. It was so beautiful if they came.
Yes, guys, it's your boy Robert Anglin Family 4, guys. I'm up on the road, guys, and I say snow, look. Yeah. Jeez. I'm tall up, guys. Watch out. So far gone now. So, you know me always a black, guys. It's your boy Robert Blogging. Robert Anglin Family 4, guys. Keep on supporting us, guys. For real. Anglin Family 4. We open up a lot of new door. Yes, guys. Float. Say hello, we give you the real stuff. Real blogging, guys. Yeah. Anglin Family Channel. Anglin Family 4. One of those chests. Yes, guys. Yo, everything changed. Everything changed. Snowfall, everything changed. Yo, it's your boy Robert. Yo, every Snowfall in New York, Bronx. Yo, Snow. Hey, no man. Guys, trust me. Snow storm in a normal. From last night the rain of it's snow fall, guys. You hear me no rain. I see know this. From last night the snow fall, guys. Trust me. I know. You know stop. You know stop, guys. Trust me. Come like you wanna come up. But me not make you come up in the house, I'm gonna shovel it up. No, guys. Hold the I bus wheel I have on chain pan it. If you go through on the road, I have to put on chain pan the wheel them chain so they can drive. Trust me, guys, you know we not done it on it all. So guys, welcome to the Anglin 4 live snow, guys. See, beautiful morning. You know normal, guys. Trust me, Anglin Family 4. I give you the real thing. Alright, guys, I'll show you a thing. See, guys. So whole heap of shoveling for me today. But only I show you guys, boy.